Hey mamas, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Danielle Naomi. So in today's video, as you could see from the title, I'll be partnering with Beauty Forever Hair. So Beauty Forever decided to send me a 22-inch 180 density 13 by 4 lace frontal wig. The 4 inches is giving 5, okay honey? Like, it's given she's being very lenient. I'm loving this wig. You could do a side part with this wig because it's fully back hair for the sides, so don't you worry. There are some companies out there, not gonna name who don't have no side parting space, but not Beauty Forever, girl. She gets you all the way together. So I love this wig so much. It is super duper affordable, and if you would like to purchase, which I would highly recommend because this hair quality is actually top tier, the links will be in the description box for you to do so. And I won't be rambling on too much. Coupon codes will be in the description box. Check it out, and let's just go ahead and jump into the video so I can show you guys how I installed my wig to look just like this. Okay, you guys, so this is Beauty Forever's 22-inch straight wig. It is a 13x4 frontal wig and it is 180 density. It is very much full and very lightweight as well. I don't know, maybe it's because I just straightened it or something, but this wig is super lightweight. You can tell that there's some denseness to it by the way how, like, you know, it's moving like really slow. If it was thin, it would be moving like crazy fast, but like just shaking it naturally just shows you that like it's some density to it. So it is 180 density, like I said. Really nice and full hair, love it. Full from the top to the tips. I love that. I hate straggly ends. I hate having to like trim ends up. Like, what's the point if I'm investing money in some good hair? So I'm very happy that this Beauty Forever wig is living up to its name. I feel like their straight and body wave hair are like top two, like literally. But right now I'm just rocking the straight, and the straight is nice and sleek, loving it. If you would like to purchase this wig from Beauty Forever hair, the links will be in the description box for you to do so, so do not forget to go ahead and check it out. Coupon codes, discounts, like all that jazz. Beauty Forever is hooking you guys up, so definitely check the description box. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye babes.